Today's defense highlights. L&T developed Futuristic Infantry Combat Vehicle FICV undergoing upgradation. Aartech Solonics develops power module for military vehicles in collaboration with Army. Boeing to deliver first three AH-64E Apache attack helicopters to the Army in December 24. DRDO encourages Indian drone startups to develop swarm drones that can function as a static early warning radar system. The global highlights. Boeing inks contract worth more than $4 billion for KC-46s. New Zealand to procure VAMTAC with utility vehicles. British Army to receive 10,000 dual-channel fused weapon sights. The news in detail. L&T developed Futuristic Infantry Combat Vehicle FICV is reported to be currently undergoing upgradation according to the RFP requirements of the Army. This initiative aims to replace the aging Soviet-era BMP-2s that have served as the backbone of India's mechanized infantry since the 80s. The company plans to manufacture the FICV at its armored system complex in Hazira, Gujarat, leveraging its expertise in system design and development. The Army intends to procure approximately 1750 FICVs over the next 2 decades. The timeline suggests that after technical evaluations and prototype development, commercial bids will be submitted before field trials commence. If successful, L&T's contract could span several years with initial deliveries expected at least a year and a half post-contract award. AartechSolonics Limited has successfully developed an adaptive alternative power module for military vehicles in collaboration with the Army Sudarshan Chakra Corps, EME, and IIT Mumbai. This innovative technology aims to enhance the operational efficiency of armored fighting vehicles and artillery systems, including the K9 Vajra howitzer. The AAPM provides regulated direct current DC power to military vehicles without the need to activate the main engine. This capability allows for power delivery tailored to the operational load, which can significantly improve fuel efficiency and reduce wear on the engine. By eliminating the necessity of running the main engine for auxiliary power, the AAPM extends engine life by up to 20% during operations such as gun firing. Indian Army is finally set to receive its first batch of three AH-64E Apache attack helicopters from Boeing in December 24. Boeing has now confirmed the revised December 24 delivery schedule, with subsequent batches expected to follow soon after. These attack helicopters will significantly enhance India's defense posture by providing close air support, delivering precise firepower to support ground troops, precision strikes, neutralizing enemy targets with accuracy, reconnaissance, conducting vital intelligence gathering and surveillance missions. Indian Air Force already operates 22 AH-64E Apache helicopters inducted between 2019 and 2020. This acquisition of 6 Apaches for the Army under a 2020 contract marks the first direct procurement of these helicopters for Army aviation. The addition of Apaches will strengthen joint operational capabilities between the Army and the Air Force, further enhancing India's combat readiness. DRDO is encouraging Indian drone startups to develop swarm drones that can function as a static early warning radar system. This initiative aims to leverage advances in drone technology and artificial intelligence to create a resilient and deployable defense mechanism. The concept involves using multiple drones equipped with small radar sensors to form an interconnected wall in the air capable of detecting and tracking incoming aerial threats. Unlike traditional radar installations, this drone swarm radar system can be dynamically reconfigured or disengaged in the air, making it difficult for adversaries to neutralize. The drones will be powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to ensure precise coordination and data sharing. DRDO plans to support participating startups through funding, technical mentorship, and access to testing facilities. Beyond defense, this technology could also be used in disaster management, search and rescue missions, and border surveillance. Some global news. The Pentagon awarded Boeing a pair of separate contracts for 15 KC-46A Pegasus tankers and 7 P-8A Poseidon maritime surveillance aircraft, deals that are collectively worth more than $4 billion. The P-8A is valued at $1.67 billion and includes non-recurring engineering work for foreign military sales made to Canada and Germany. It will bring the number of P-8As on contract up to 207, 135 of which are for the US Navy. Australia, India, UK, Norway, New Zealand, Korea, Germany, and Canada all fly the maritime surveillance aircraft, which has played an integral part in experimentation done at the behest of the AUKUS Trilateral Security Pact. New Zealand Ministry of Defence has signed a contract with Euro Vehiculos Especiales SA, Eurovesa, to procure the Spanish company's VAMTAC 4x4 high mobility tactical vehicles for New Zealand Army. Under the deal announced on 21st of November, Eurovesa will deliver 40 VAMTAC CK3 medium vehicles and 20 VAMTAC ST5 light vehicles by 2027. British Army to receive 10,000 dual-channeled fused weapon sights. The $152 million contract for the weapon sights is for the new Talon 2 dual-channel optically fused weapon sight. The procurement focused on delivering enhanced night fighting capabilities to infantry units of the British Army. The system is intended to provide dismounted close combat users a multi-waveband inline optic for nighttime operations. The inline sight is compatible with a wide variety of small arms and optic systems, specifically the SA-80 family of rifles and the Knights Armament Company, which was adopted as part of the Project Hunter Alternative Individual Weapon System. The sight is secured to the topside NATO standard accessory rail immediately forward of the weapon's main optical sight. The Talon 2 fused weapon sight is powered by two AA batteries with a 6-hour battery life or can be connected to an external battery source. When operational, the thermal imaging mode can detect a man-sized target at up to 1000 meters and identify a target at 250 meters. The starlight imaging mode gives the operator the ability to detect in white or green a man-sized target at up to 1300 meters and identify a target at 300 meters. The system is also capable of detecting vehicle-sized targets in excess of 2000 meters in thermal and starlight imaging modes, according to the company. That's the news for today. We hope you are enjoying the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you and have a great week ahead.